the system, it's cause and effect. Now no matter who you are, we all want the respect. I thought the police supposed to serve and protect, but their policies in disarray and they need to be checked. I can't breathe, somebody give me some air. I'm suffocating over here, does anybody care? Now all life matters, so mine should be spared. Now join hands together, don't sit around and just stare. I know what you think, the system is rigged. Don't know where to start because the problem's too big. Now this battle right here is everyone's fight. Stand up for what you believe inside, you know it's right. Giving the police them weapons just to harm us. I don't deserve to die, they all surround us. No longer a police, they just ready for a combat. Just more lives to lose unless we vow to stop that. I can't breathe. Change the policy and change police. I can't breathe. The government needs to come to peace. I can't breathe. Somebody let the fresh air in and fix the government up, let the healing begin. I can't breathe. Change the policy and change police. I can't breathe. The government needs to come to peace. The system got us down, begging for their life. At the end of this tunnel, it's bound to be some light. My back against the wall, I'm scared to leave my house. At the will of someone else, I'm getting treated like a lab mouse. Don't want us to learn, children undereducated. Must be a conspiracy, all premeditated. Taxes left and right, is this some kind of joke? Use it to build a better school and make some brighter folks. Because the future, it depends on the youth. Now we need to give this generation the best, and that's the truth. A brighter future with a promising career, but I can't even get the tools. I need to finish up the schools, Now I think I made my point very clear. You can't oppress us anymore, I guarantee the end is near. I need a breath of fresh air with all the rest. Let's stand up for what we need, don't need an S on my chest. They can't stop us, no matter how hard they try. We never fall, we continue to rise. I can't breathe. Change the policy and change police. I can't breathe. The government needs to come to peace. I can't breathe. Somebody let the fresh air in and fix the government up, let the healing begin. I can't breathe. Change the policy and change police. I can't breathe. The government needs to come to peace. They got us all down, begging for their life. Now at the end of this tunnel, it's bound to be some light. Yeah, we gotta fight for what's right. For our freedom, we need to all be free. It's our duty to win. We gotta love each other and support each other. We have nothing to lose but our chains.